Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, we are here with a new video, and today we will talk about a very interesting topic, beach versus mountains. Which one is better? Which one offers a more enjoyable vacation? And if you could choose only one destination for your next trip, which would it be? Stay tuned until the end because we're going to compare both options and share our opinions. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm excited about today's topic because I absolutely love traveling.
Same here. Traveling is one of the best ways to relax, explore new places, and create unforgettable memories.
So let's start with a simple question. If someone offered you a free vacation right now, would you choose the beach or the mountains?
I would definitely choose the mountains. I love the peaceful atmosphere, fresh air, and beautiful scenery.
Interesting. I would choose the beach without hesitation. There's something special about the ocean, the sand, and the sound of waves.
Looks like we're already on opposite sides.
That's what makes this conversation interesting.
Absolutely.
Let's begin by talking about relaxation. For me, beaches are the perfect place to relax. You can sit by the water, enjoy the sunshine, and forget about your daily stress.
I understand that, but I think mountains are even more relaxing. The quiet surroundings and natural beauty help you disconnect from busy city life.
Beaches can be peaceful too, especially if you visit less crowded locations.
That's true. Not every beach is full of tourists.
One thing I love about beaches is the sound of the waves. It's incredibly calming.
I feel the same way about mountain sounds. Birds singing, rivers flowing, and wind moving through trees create a peaceful environment.
That's a fair point.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about activities. Beaches offer a lot of fun things to do. You can swim, surf, snorkel, scuba dive, play volleyball, or simply walk along the shore.
Mountains also offer plenty of activities. You can hike, camp, climb, bike, explore forests, and enjoy nature.
Which activity do you enjoy most in the mountains?
Hiking, without a doubt. Reaching the top of a mountain after a long hike feels incredibly rewarding.
I can imagine that. For me, swimming in the ocean is the perfect vacation activity.
Swimming is fun, but I prefer standing at a mountain viewpoint and admiring the landscape.
Let's discuss weather. Beaches usually have warm and sunny weather.
Mountains often have cooler temperatures, which many people find more comfortable.
Some people love sunshine and warm weather.
Others enjoy cool air and mild temperatures.
I guess weather preferences depend on the individual.
Exactly.
Another thing I like about beaches is the atmosphere. People seem happier and more relaxed.
Mountain towns have a unique atmosphere too. Life feels slower and less stressful.
That's true.
Have you ever visited a mountain destination?
Yes, I have. The views were amazing, but I still prefer the beach.
At least you gave the mountains a chance.
Of course.
Let's talk about scenery. Mountains offer breathtaking landscapes. You can see valleys, rivers, forests, waterfalls, and snow-covered peaks.
Beaches offer stunning scenery too. Blue water, golden sand, colorful sunsets, and endless horizons are hard to beat.
Which do you think is better for photography?
Beaches. Sunset photos by the ocean always look incredible.
I disagree. Mountain landscapes create dramatic and unforgettable photographs.
I guess photographers would enjoy both.
Definitely.
Let's talk about adventure. Beaches offer exciting water sports.
Mountains offer thrilling outdoor adventures.
Surfing looks exciting.
Rock climbing looks exciting too.
Fair enough.
If you're an adventurous person, mountains provide endless opportunities.
And beaches provide endless opportunities for water lovers.
Good point.
What about families? I think beaches are ideal family destinations.
Why do you think so?
Children love building sandcastles, collecting shells, and playing in the water.
That's true. However, families can enjoy mountains too. Kids often love hiking trails and exploring nature.
Family vacations are probably enjoyable in both locations.
I agree.
Let's discuss food. That's always an important topic.
Beach destinations often have fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and delicious local dishes.
Mountain destinations also offer amazing traditional foods and cozy restaurants.
Nothing beats eating seafood while watching the ocean.
Nothing beats enjoying a warm meal while looking at mountain views.
You're making it difficult to argue.
That's because both places have strong advantages. Let's discuss health benefits. Walking on the beach is great exercise.
Hiking in the mountains is excellent exercise too.
The sea air feels refreshing.
Mountain air feels fresh and clean as well.
Spending time outdoors is beneficial regardless of the destination.
Exactly.
Do you think mountains are better for reducing stress?
Personally, yes. The peaceful environment helps me relax.
I feel the same way about beaches.
It seems we're proving that both destinations can improve mental well-being.
That's true.
Let's imagine you have 1 week off from work. What would your beach vacation look like?
I would spend mornings walking along the shore, afternoons swimming, and evenings watching the sunset.
Sounds relaxing. What about your mountain vacation?
I would spend my days hiking, exploring nature, and taking photographs.
That sounds enjoyable too.
Thank you. Another advantage of beaches is that you can simply do nothing and still have a wonderful time.
Mountains encourage people to stay active and explore.
Some people want relaxation.
Others want adventure.
That's why the answer depends on personality.
Exactly.
Let's talk about memories. Most of my favorite vacations happen near the ocean.
Most of mine happened in the mountains.
I remember building sandcastles and playing in the water as a child.
I remember hiking with my family and watching sunrises from mountain peaks.
Those sound like great memories.
They really are.
Do you think mountains are better for escaping technology?
Definitely. Many mountain areas have fewer distractions.
Some beaches offer that experience too.
That's true.
Let's imagine two travelers. One wants complete relaxation. The other wants adventure. What would you recommend?
For relaxation, I might recommend the beach. For adventure, I would recommend the mountains.
That's actually a balanced answer.
Sometimes it's impossible to choose only one side.
Another thing I love about beaches is watching the sunset.
I love watching the sunrise from mountain peaks.
Both experiences sound magical.
They certainly are.
If you have to spend an entire month in one place, would you still choose the mountains?
Absolutely. There are so many trails and places to explore.
I would still choose the beach. I never get tired of ocean views.
Fair enough.
Let's do a quick comparison. Warm weather,
Beach.
cool weather,
Mountains.
swimming,
Beach.
hiking,
Mountains.
sand,
Beach. Forests. Mountains.
surfing,
Beach.
camping,
Mountains.
watching sunsets over water,
Beach.
watching breathtaking landscapes from above.
Mountains.
Looks like both have their strengths.
Exactly.
After this discussion, I still choose the beach.
And I still choose the mountains.
But I have to admit that mountains are beautiful.
And I have to admit that beaches are amazing.
So maybe the real winner is travel itself.
I completely agree. Whether you visit a beach or a mountain destination, you're creating memories and enjoying life.
That's a wonderful way to look at it.
Thank you.
Now it's your turn, viewers. Which do you prefer, the beach or the mountains?
Let us know in the comments below and tell us why.
We'd love to hear your opinions.
Maybe your answer will inspire our next video.
Thank you so much for watching today's conversation.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload.
We'll see you again with another interesting English conversation topic.
Until then, take care and keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next video.